GED Mathematical Reasoning Answer Key.
Question 1. After Gold Group 62 reads a passage about sleep and memory during the sample question review, which sentence states the main idea? Option A. Longer study sessions always beat rest. Option B. Timed tests should be avoided. Option C. Memory depends only on intelligence. Option D. Adequate sleep supports memory and test performance.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because it captures the link between rest, recall, and performance. Longer study sessions always beat rest is wrong because the passage does not say more hours always help, and timed tests should be avoided is wrong because the passage discusses performance, not avoiding tests. Memory depends only on intelligence is wrong because the passage connects memory with sleep habits. Question 2. When Gold Group 62 sees details that the author describes a quiet room, a closed phone drawer, and a timer set for 30 minutes, which inference is most reasonable? Option A. The room is unsafe. Option B. The setting is designed for focused study. Option C. The author dislikes all technology. Option D. The timer is broken.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because quiet, phone-free conditions and a timer all support concentration. The room is unsafe is wrong because nothing indicates danger, and the author dislikes all technology is wrong because only the phone distraction is limited. The timer is broken is wrong because the timer is described as set, not broken. Question 3. During Gold Group 62's sample question review, a passage warns that skipping directions can cost points and tells students to underline command words. Which author purpose fits best? Option A. To advise students on careful test reading. Option B. To explain how to build a desk. Option C. To describe a historical event. Option D. To rank science topics by difficulty.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the warning and strategy are designed to guide reader behavior. To explain how to build a desk is wrong because no construction steps are included, and to describe a historical event is wrong because no event from history is described. To rank science topics by difficulty is wrong because the focus is reading directions, not science topics. Question 4. While Gold Group 62 outlines a passage that describes flashcards and practice tests by showing how they are alike and different, which structure is being used? Option A. Sequence. Option B. Spatial order. Option C. Compare and contrast. Option D. Problem and solution.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the passage focuses on similarities and differences between two methods. Sequence is wrong because there is no step-by-step timeline, and spatial order is wrong because the organization is not based on location. Problem and solution is wrong because no central problem is being fixed. Question 5. Before Gold Group 62 accepts the claim that reviewing explanations helps correct weak areas, which detail gives the strongest support? Option A. Pencils can break easily. Option B. Students who wrote down why answers were wrong avoided the same errors later. Option C. The answer sheet had margins. Option D. A timer beeped after lunch.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the detail links explanations with fewer repeated errors. Pencils can break easily is wrong because pencil quality does not support the claim, and the answer sheet had margins is wrong because margins do not show learning from explanations. A timer beeped after lunch is wrong because the timer detail is unrelated. Question 6. Since Gold Group 62 sees the word sufficient in the evidence was sufficient to support the conclusion, which meaning fits the context? Option A. Unrelated to the topic. Option B. Written in pencil. Option C. Too weak to matter. Option D. Enough for the purpose.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because sufficient means adequate or enough to meet a need. Unrelated to the topic is wrong because unrelated evidence cannot support the point, and written in pencil is wrong because the writing tool does not define the word. Too weak to matter is wrong because too weak would not support a conclusion. Question 7. Given Gold Group 62 answers 5 out of 8 practice items correctly, which percent matches the result? Option A, 37.5%. Option B, 38.46%. Option C, 62.5%. Option D, 16%.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because 5 divided by 8 equals 0.625, and multiplying by 100 gives 62.5%. 37.5% is wrong because it subtracts before converting rather than converting the given fraction, and 38.46% is wrong because it compares the part to the total plus the part or uses an incomplete setup. 16% is wrong because it uses the wrong comparison instead of dividing the part by the whole. Question 8. If Gold Group 62's score rises from 50 to 65, what percent increase should be recorded? Option A, 15%. Option B, 23.1%. Option C, 130%. Option D, 30%.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the increase is 15, and 15 divided by the original score 50 equals 30%. 15% is wrong because it reports the raw point gain rather than dividing by the original value, and 23.1% is wrong because it divides by the new value instead of the original value. 130% is wrong because it gives the new score as a percent of the old score, not the percent increase. Question 9. Suppose Gold Group 62 solves 4x plus 11 equals 35. Which value of x makes the equation true? Option A, 6. Option B, 24. Option C, 5. Option D, 7.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because subtracting 11 leaves 4x equals 24, and dividing by 4 gives x equals 6. 24 is wrong because it treats the constant or coefficient as if it were the final answer, and 5 is wrong because it reverses or skips part of the inverse operation. 7 is wrong because it is one step away from the value that balances both sides. Question 10. Using Gold Group 62's rectangle diagram with 12 cm long and 9 cm wide, which area should be recorded? Option A, 108 square cm. Option B, 3 square cm. Option C, 21 square cm. Option D, of 42 centimeters.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because area is length times width, so 12 times 9 equals 108. 3 square cm is wrong because it subtracts dimensions, which does not measure area, and 21 square cm is wrong because it adds the sides rather than multiplying them. 42 centimeters is wrong because that is the perimeter, not the area. Question 11. From Gold Group 62's measurement note of 240 centimeters, which conversion to m is accurate? Option A, 0.24 m. Option B, 24,000 m. Option C, 24 m. Option D, 2.4 m.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because 100 centimeters equal 1 meter, so 240 divided by 100 equals 2.4 m. 0.24 m is wrong because it divides by 1000 instead of 100, and 24,000 m is wrong because it multiplies instead of converting to a larger unit. 24 m is wrong because it divides by 10 instead of 100. Question 12. In Gold Group 62's score set 74, 68, 56, 60, 93, which median should be reported? Option A, 93. Option B, 56. Option C, 68. Option D, 70.2.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the scores are ordered as 56, 60, 68, 74, 93, and the middle value rule gives 68. 93 is wrong because it selects another listed score instead of the central value, and 56 is wrong because it is an extreme value or unrelated value rather than the middle after sorting. 70.2 is wrong because it uses a mean-like or added value rather than the median method. Question 13. For Gold Group 62, 5 review packets cost $10. At the same rate, how much do 7 packets cost? Option A, $14. Option B, $35. Option C, $12. Option D, $17.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because $10 divided by 5 gives $2 per packet, and 7 packets cost $14. $35 is wrong because it multiplies the two quantities and ignores the price, and $12 is wrong because it is 1 unit price short of the proportional cost. $17 is wrong because it adds the new quantity to the old cost instead of finding the unit rate. Question 14. Near Gold Group 62's cell control review, which organelle matches the function being reviewed? Option A, cell membrane. Option B, nucleus. Option C, ribosomes. Option D, mitochondria.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the nucleus contains DNA and directs many cell activities. Cell membrane is wrong because the membrane controls movement in and out but does not store most DNA, and ribosomes is wrong because ribosomes make proteins, not genetic instructions. Mitochondria is wrong because mitochondria make ADP and contain only small amounts of their own DNA. Question 15. Because Gold Group 62 traces circulation and blood leaves the right ventricle, where does it go next? Option A, aorta toward the body. Option B, pulmonary vein toward the left atrium. Option C, pulmonary artery toward the lungs. Option D, vena cava toward the right atrium.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because the right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Aorta toward the body is wrong because the aorta receives oxygenated blood from the left ventricle, and pulmonary vein toward the left atrium is wrong because pulmonary veins return blood from lungs, not from the right ventricle. Vena cava toward the right atrium is wrong because the vena cava brings blood into the heart. Question 16. Although Gold Group 62 sees alveoli drawn as tiny sacs, which feature helps oxygen enter blood quickly? Option A, a large surface area. Option B, a small surface area. Option C, a layer of enamel. Option D, a sealed membrane with no blood flow.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because many tiny sacs create more area for oxygen and carbon dioxide to diffuse. A small surface area is wrong because less area would reduce gas exchange, and a layer of enamel is wrong because enamel is tooth tissue, not lung tissue. A sealed membrane with no blood flow is wrong because blood flow is needed to carry gases. Question 17. Once Gold Group 62 notices that dehydration increases and thirst becomes stronger, which process explains the response? Option A, genetic drift. Option B, homeostatic regulation. Option C, blood clotting cascade only. Option D, a mechanical digestion.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because thirst motivates fluid intake to help restore water balance. Genetic drift is wrong because genetic drift is a population-level allele change, and blood clotting cascade only is wrong because clotting is not the water balance response. Mechanical digestion is wrong because mechanical digestion breaks food into pieces. Question 18. Where Gold Group 62 studies genetics and two heterozygous parents have genotype BB, which offspring chance matches the expected result? Option A, 100%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 25%. Option D, 75%.
The correct answer is option.
The selected answer fits because a BB times BB cross gives BB, 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 and BB, so 1 of 4 shows the recessive phenotype. 100% is wrong because not every offspring receives 2 recessive alleles, and 50% is wrong because 2 of 4 offspring are carriers but only 1 shows the recessive phenotype. 75% is wrong because 3 of 4 have the dominant phenotype, not the recessive phenotype. Question 19. As Gold Group 62 reviews chemistry and pH changes from 5 to 3, which conclusion follows? Option A. It does not change acidity. Option B. It becomes 2 times more acidic. Option C. It becomes 100 times more acidic. Option D. It becomes 100 times more basic.
The correct answer is option. Line up the decimal points and add the tenths. 3.8 plus 5.2 equals 9. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it shifts the decimal one place too far. Option B is wrong because it subtracts instead of adding. Option D is wrong because it ignores the decimal places. Question 20. Find the midpoint of -8, 4, and 0, 4. Option A, -8, 0. Option B, 8, 4. Option C, -4, 4. Option D, -8, 4. The correct answer is option. Average the x values and the y values, the midpoint is -4, 4. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it mixes x values into both coordinates. Option B is wrong because it finds the horizontal distance, not the midpoint. Option D is wrong because it adds the x values without dividing by 2. Question 21. A table has x values 0, 1, 2, 3, and y values 4, 6, 8, 10. What is the rate of change? Option A 10. Option B 4. Option C 6. Option D 2. The correct answer is option. Each time x increases by 1, y increases by 2, so the rate of change is 2. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it is a y value, not the change per x. Option B is wrong because it is the starting value when x is 0. Option C is wrong because it adds the starting value to the rate. Question 22. Divide 80 by 8? Option A is 0.1. Option B 88. Option C 10. Option D 72. The correct answer is option. Division asks how many groups of 8 fit into 80. The quotient is 10. This matches option C. Option A is wrong because it reverses the division. Option B is wrong because it adds the numbers. Option D is wrong because it subtracts instead of dividing. Question 23. Which fraction is larger, 1/5 or 8/10? Option A 1/5. Option B 8/10. Option C cannot be compared. Option D they are equal. The correct answer is option. Compare cross products. 1 times 10 equals 10 and 8 times 5 equals 40, so the larger side identifies the larger fraction. This matches option B. Option A is wrong because cross multiplication shows it has the smaller value. Option C is wrong because fractions can be compared by using common denominators or cross products. Option D is wrong because the cross products are not the same. Question 24. Find 60% of 200 before the numbers get hidden in a word problem. Option A 120. Option B 3.33. Option C 260. Option D 140. The correct answer is option. Convert 60% to 0.6 and multiply by 200, which gives 120. This matches option A. Option B is wrong because it divides by the percent number instead of converting it to a decimal. Option C is wrong because it adds the percent number to the base. Option D is wrong because it subtracts the percent number from the base. Question 25. A recipe uses 4 cups of rice for every 8 cups of water. How much water is needed for 16 cups of rice? Option A 24. Option B 32. Option C 8. Option D 32 cups. The correct answer is option. The rice amount is multiplied by 4, so the water amount must also be multiplied by 4, giving 32 cups. This matches option D. Option A is wrong because it adds the original water amount after scaling only rice. Option B is wrong because it multiplies the 2 original ratio parts. Option C is wrong because it uses the original recipe without scaling.